My name is Mina Pavlovic, and I'm an electrical controls co-op here at Hedgehog Technologies. I'm currently working on the Nimbus software. The Nimbus microgrid controller connected to a battery system and solar panels help to effectively manage energy systems. The experience has been really, really valuable, and I'm being exposed to things that I honestly wouldn't get any other place. I like that there's no expectations for performance necessarily. It's more initiative and what you gain from the experience. Basically, the only thing you're here to do is to learn, and if you're open and willing to ask questions and really get everything out of the experience that you can, you'll do great.
Hi, my name is Dr. Mike Rich, and I am the CEO of Hedgehog Technologies. Hiring co-ops is really fun. They bring in new ideas about state-of-the-art technology. They bring in ideas about how people think and the values of the next generation. And then we, in part, we're also able to inspire them on how engineering works in the practical world and how they can apply that to their schoolwork.